Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we create 2D drawing of exploded view of this assembly. First of all, we exploded. I already created a video of exploded view of assembly. I give the link in description. You can check from there. Now select file, make drawing from assembly. Select sheet format A3 ISO. OK. Now select current view. Go to scale. Use custom scale. Select scale from here. I select 1:2. Now select this view and select it here and select this show in exploded or model break state and select here exploded view file. OK. Now select this view. Select auto balloon. Here some options for balloon. Balloon pattern type. Layout balloons to top. Layout balloons to bottom. Layout balloons to left. Layout balloons to right. Layout balloons to square. Layout balloons to circular. Here some other options. Leader attachment. We select face, or you can also select edges. Balloon type circular, you can select triangle, hexagon, box. Anyone you can select from here. I select circular. From here you can select the size of balloon. Tight fit. This is too small. 1 character up to 5 character. You can also define it. At here you can enter the diameter of circle. I select 2 character. This is enough. Now select OK. Now arrange these balloons. Now go to insert, table, bill of material. Select here parts only. OK. Click anywhere on drawing for insert this table. Now see the table. Item number 1, part 1 quantity. This is item number 1. This is in 1 in quantity. Second one is bearings. These 2 bearings, quantity 2. This is part 3. This is also 2 in quantity. Nut and bolts, 8 quantity and 8 quantity. OK. So this is a simple tutorial how to make drawing of exploded view of assembly and how to insert bill of material and how to apply auto balloon in 2D drawing of SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.